Hello everyone and welcome to Fun with the Fab Fork with registered dietitian Michelle Dwoskin.
Welcome back to a delightfully delicious and slightly decadent episode of Fun with the Fab Fork. Have you ever wanted to prepare a luxurious dish for someone you love? Maybe it's a special occasion, maybe you want to pamper someone with a special dinner, or maybe it's just a wonderful excuse to treat yourself. Well, if so, this is the perfect recipe for you. It's Lobster Seafood Soup, and it's out of this world. It's warm and delicious, and we're making it today with lower sodium, lower fat than many other versions, and it's gluten-free. Here are the ingredients. And as always, you can find the ingredients and instructions listed in the description below the video. Thank you again for watching, and if you enjoyed it and would like to see more recipes, please subscribe and share with your friends. Peace, love, and good eating.